Welcome to my YouTube channel. Famous Book Summary provides concise and engaging summaries of popular and influential books. You can see each video distills the main ideas and key takeaways from a wide range of titles, making it easier for viewers to grasp essential concepts quickly. The channel is designed for those who want to learn from important books without reading them in full, offering a time-efficient way to expand knowledge and gain insights. So, today I will discuss the summary of famous book, Science of Getting Rich. The summary of the book Science of Getting Rich. A blast from the past, the study of getting rich shows an exceptional better approach for contemplating, having, and procuring abundance. This book can assist anyone with expanding their wealth if, by some stroke of good luck, they will apply the examples that Wattles educates. It might take a little wisdom to perceive its application in the 21st 100 years. The standards here are strong. Who might I suggest the study of Getting Rich run down to? The 52-year-old churchgoer who accepts that getting rich is pointless and shameless, a 31-year-old development laborer who needs to get more cash flow, and anyone with any interest in living with more opportunity and overflow. One sentence outline. The study of getting rich allows you to embrace your regular longing for riches and make sense of why wealth lead to a prosperous and plentiful life as a top priority, body and soul. Whether it's figuring out how to grow a nursery, starting a family, or just mastering another expertise, everybody wants to advance and have an existence of bounty. We as a whole see individuals who appear to have everything and who keep on getting to an ever-increasing extent. How would they make it happen? What is it about specific individuals that causes them to appear to draw in riches and overflow? How might you get what you need? Living inside the regular imperatives of chances, cash, and time makes it hard for us all to get what we want. It's not difficult to feel that there is simply such a great amount to go around. We frequently trust that in such a serious world it's difficult to excel. In the study of getting rich, Wattles instructs that, as opposed to mainstream thinking, there is a lot of abundance and satisfaction to go around. This book likewise uncovers the perspective that will get you all the wealth and happiness that you want. Furthermore, it was the motivation for Rhonda Byrne's The Mystery. The following are 3 illustrations from this book that will assist you with becoming rich. Transient wealth are expected to sustain your body, brain, and soul, and carry on with a really satisfying life. At the point when you join your confidence and reason with activity towards your objectives, you start to see them turning into a reality. Using your gifts will prompt more prominent development towards getting your fantasies going. Is it safe to say that you are prepared to arrive at another degree of flourishing? We should figure out how. Example 1. For a cheerful and satisfying life, you really want a solid whole self, which requires fleeting riches. Individuals that have cash stress they'll lose it, and individuals without cash need to have it. While there are many powers around us that endeavor to cause our craving for opulence to appear to be off base, it's a characteristic piece of being human. To carry on with a bountiful life, you want to really focus on your whole self. For the most satisfaction and importance throughout everyday life, you really want to similarly sustain each of the 3 of these areas. Cash is a basic part to supporting whole self, and consequently is likewise crucial to tracking down reason and bliss too. Ponder your psyche, for instance. How might you take the best consideration of your psyche? Understanding books, becoming instructed, and in any event, messing around assist our intellectual abilities with developing. Yet, how might you have any of these on the off chance that you don't have the cash to pay for them? Your body additionally needs basic parts to have the energy and power you want to cheerfully work. Ponder the good food, quality rest, and apparel that assists you with feeling certain and agreeable in your body. None of these components of a sound body are conceivable in the event that you're poor. Sustaining the spirit involves endlessly love is about our connections. Consider how much better you can really focus on those you love when you have the assets to do as such. Envision the decent dinners, gifts, and quality time you could enjoy with your friends and family, assuming you had the cash to do as such. Being really rich is one method for quieting large numbers of the concerns of our spirits and become healthier. Lesson 2. Your particular gifts are one more key component to advance, and by utilizing them you can urge others to arrive at their fantasies too. Visualization is an amazing asset to assist with moving us towards arriving at our objectives. At the point when we imagine what we need and how it will feel to achieve it, then, at that point, we will make that vision a reality. In any case, looking towards the future with trust isn't the main fixing expected for progress. We likewise need to act. Without work, our fantasies won't generally turn into a reality. Yet, it is generally difficult to invest the energy. Frequently, we dread that the conditions aren't ideal for the work we need to place in. We figure we need more time, don't know enough, or are missing basic associations. These are pardons when that's what we understand, assuming you believe the climate should turn out to be correct. You have the ability to get that going yourself. You can influence your general surroundings by the manner in which you think and act to prepare for arriving at your objectives. A few fall into the snare of giving their psychological exertion in one region and their actual exertion in an alternate one. As we learn in Essentialism by Greg McKeown, having an excessive number of various objectives prompts diminished energy accessible to chip away at everyone. Rather than extending yourself far, you ought to zero in on adjusting your psychological and actual endeavors on a similar work towards a similar objective. The more you succeed along these lines, the more extra achievement you will draw in. Illustration 3. Our general public has designed quite a bit of day-to-day development out of our lives, and we want to get it back. Envision two circles that cross over in the middle, otherwise called a Venn graph. One circle is your gifts. The other circle addresses what you appreciate doing or your interests. Distinguishing the crossover between your gifts and interests is basic to actually acting to arrive at your objectives. As you keep on following what you love to do, perceive that you are advancing, regardless of whether in limited quantities. The more you recognize the sweet center ground between your interests and abilities, the better you will become at it. With predictable exertion, you will foster a propensity for progress by your confidence and work. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel.